Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play love note on the piano. We will begin by identifying the fundamental chords that form the song's foundation. Understanding these 3 or 4 core chords is crucial for a strong start. Focus on learning the correct finger placement for each, ensuring your hand is relaxed. Then, practice transitioning smoothly between them, aiming for a seamless flow. This initial step lays the groundwork for mastering the entire piece with confidence and ease. Next, we will concentrate on the right hand, which carries the beautiful melody of love note. Pay close attention to the specific notes and their rhythmic values. The melody often features a gentle, flowing pattern, sometimes with a few eighth notes. Start by practicing this hand independently, at a very slow tempo. This allows you to internalize the precise timing and articulation of each note before combining it with the left hand's chords. Accuracy is key here. Now it is time to bring both hands together. This step requires patience and careful coordination. Begin by playing at an extremely slow pace, perhaps at 1/2 or 1/3 of the final speed. Focus on synchronizing the left hand chords with the right hand melody notes. Identify the exact moments where they play simultaneously. As your comfort and accuracy improve, gradually increase the tempo, always maintaining a relaxed posture and even rhythm. Consistency is vital. Finally, let us add the expressive elements that truly bring love note to life. Experiment with dynamics, playing some sections softly and others with a bit more emphasis to convey emotion. The sustain pedal is also a powerful tool. Use it judiciously to create a rich, resonant sound, typically for 2 or 4 beats at a time. Practice with feeling, allowing the music to flow naturally. These nuances will transform your playing into a heartfelt performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.